Meat consumption can negatively affect our bodies in various ways. Digesting meat requires a large amount of bile, which can place a burden on the liver. The significant amount of uric acid generated from meat consumption is very harmful to the kidneys. Dr. Robert Perk warns, excessive uric acid constricts microvessels and clogs blood vessels, causing serious circulation disorders and placing an enormous burden on major organs, such as the heart and kidneys. Humans lack the enzyme uricase, making it difficult to effectively process uric acid. Meat is the most perishable of all foods. When meat begins to putrefy starting from the stomach, the blood can become contaminated with toxins. When toxic substances accumulate in the body, bile is secreted excessively, which can promote fatigue and aging, weaken intestinal bacteria, and cause blood vessels to lose their elasticity. Meat may contain waste products that the animal could not process before death, toxic hormones secreted during stressful situations, and waste products that continue to be generated even after the animal has died. In particular, these waste products and toxic substances are more concentrated in the animal's liver. Furthermore, meat can harbor various harmful microorganisms, such as bacteria that infect living animals, and molds, spores, and yeasts that can develop during post-mortem processing. Dr. Carrington states meat consumption can be a direct cause of various diseases. Beef, pork, and fish may contain tapeworm embryos, and the deadly Trichinella spiralis is primarily found in pork. There are numerous diseases that both humans and livestock can contract, such as salmonellosis, staphylococcal infections, and psittacosis present in meat, and there is currently no special way to completely eradicate these risk factors. Processed meats, such as sausages and frankfurts, often make it difficult to know which parts they were made from. They may include parts unsuitable for human consumption, such as eyes, ears, bladders, lips, udders, noses, portions of bone, and skin. E. coli 0157, known to occur mainly in calves raised on grain, can be fatal to the human body. Mad cow disease, or BSE, is caused by abnormal proteins called prions, which are not destroyed by cooking with heat. It is a fatal disease that creates holes in the brain, leading to death within a few years. Modern animal husbandry uses various chemicals to maximize profits. Livestock raised in cramped and poor environments are vulnerable to diseases, leading to the administration of large amounts of antibiotics. Antibiotics are also used to increase feed efficiency and make animals grow larger and faster. These antibiotics accumulate in the human body, causing antibiotic resistance, which in severe cases can lead to superbug infections that are difficult to treat. The U.S. FDA has defined the use of antibiotics in animals as a public health threat that must be stopped. To achieve faster growth, growth hormones are mixed into feed and administered to the animals. Synthetic hormones similar to natural hormones, such as estradiol, progesterone, and testosterone, are also used. These hormones can accumulate in fatty tissues, and some studies suggest they may increase the incidence of breast cancer, especially in women with higher body fat percentages. The European Union bans the use of hormonal growth promoters, and a cancer research team at Ohio State University discovered that even minute amounts of zeranol, a synthetic hormone, promote the growth of breast cancer cells at an incredibly fast rate. Residues of pesticides and herbicides sprayed on crops are concentrated in the muscles and fat of animals and transferred to humans through meat. D. Lindsay Berkson estimates that up to 95% of pesticide exposure is due to meat and dairy products. Chemical additives are also used in processed meats. BHA and BHT are used as antioxidants to prevent spoilage, but their association with cancer has been reported in animal studies. A new theory suggests that excessive intake of antioxidants can disrupt the body's free radical balance and actually increase cancer rates. Sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate are toxic substances used as preservatives in processed meats, such as sausages and hot dogs. They can create nitrosamines, which are cancerogens, in the stomach and can cause fatal poisoning symptoms if consumed excessively. MSG, or monosodium glutamate, is used as a flavor enhancer, but research links it to various side effects such as headaches, migraines, nerve and brain damage, obesity, and depression. Propyl gallate is used as a preservative and classified as a substance with a potential link to cancer. Sodium phosphate is used to increase the pH of the meat to raise water content and extend shelf life. Pink slime is made using ammonia on cattle byproducts unfit for consumption. Ammonia is an irritant gas harmful to the human body.